Okay, welcome to our group. We're from the group one, and the topics about using GitHub and Jenkins in our project. In my project is Etilank. Okay, this is group one member. My name is Dimas and Bagaskara. And my partner is through
Chieasa
yourself.
Afandy.
Okay, so what is DevOps? DevOps is software development and application delivery combine application developer or dev and application operation or ops. The goal of DevOps to increase the ability of an organization to deliver application and service at high speed and to speed up the time need to improve the quality. In left, you can see the procedure is the planning the what you want to project you want to working, the coding, or the code segment, pull and test, and release to the record and deploy, and operates and monitoring then going to the break to plan. So what is Etilank? Basically, Etilank is application for the helping police officer and the government for making it simple step to pay your fine because traffic violence and is explained by my partner.
What is GitHub? And what is the function of GitHub? GitHub is a control system developed by Linus Torvalds to help developers to track change in their codes and in their project. And it's also record every change and will change the code. It's also not make code crash each other. GitHub also make developer connect to the other developer easier. Next. Now I'm going to explain about Jenkins. Jenkins is a free open source automation server. It helps automate the part of software development related to building, testing, and deploying, facilitating continuous integration and continuous delivery. It is a server-based system that runs in several containers such as Apache Tomcat. Next. The first step to making our GitHub repository is we need to go to the GitHub website and then create the GitHub repository. In here, we make the repository for Etilank project. Next. After that, you can install the Git software and then open the Git bash command by using the command git cd to go to your project folder location and then git init to initiate the GitHub inside your project. And then we can use git commit to set or track the change in your code. And then we can use the git remote to add the project to our new GitHub repository. And then we can push the repository project to our GitHub. Next.
Okay.
After you already push the Git repository, you can see in your GitHub all the code that you make, and then the GitHub will keep track of your change. Next.
Okay.
Okay.
So I will explain about our Jenkins configuration. In first step, we're creating the Etilank project or your project in Jenkins. First, you choose the freestyle project and name it your project. And the next step is about as description about your project. In this description about Etilank is the project made by who and others. And next about source code management. As you can see, this repository URL in their credential and best feedback blank. In this we use master. Okay, next we will trigger for the schedule in our project. And next is to execute Windows-based command. But in this, you command, for example, call this function to call the specific folder is the Etilank Java in our case, or .java, sorry, and then save, and then going to change in build. How to build is by click the build now. After you wait for time or cycle, sometimes minutes, and then the build story will show success or not by use the color red, blue, or yellow. The permanent is also like a story too. And that's the output or console output in our projects. As you can see, these are finished success in our Etilank. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for from our group, and we hope to help you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Terima kasih.
wabarakatuh.